Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to clear cache and thanks to it speed up your device. So what I highly recommend to do is to open the settings. Here let's go to apps and tap on all apps. So here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, especially those which you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they simply occupy the memory, obviously, because they are saved. So we can freely remove them and release some of the memory. And obviously, the cache for a specific apps are not that large. However, if we will remove them for all of the apps, and then we can release a significant amount. So let me show it to you by using, for example, the contacts. Just tap on the specific app, and here we've got the section storage and cache. So let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got this cache section, and all you have to do is to simply tap on clear cache. As you can see, you do not even have to confirm anything. Your device will immediately remove the cache from the apps. And as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache. And thanks to it, your device will speed up a little bit. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.